Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is how much protein do I need on a plant-based diet? So this is still one of the #1 questions I always get, so if you're gonna make a video today, I'm gonna be showing you exactly what I'm eating today, and stay tuned because I'm gonna have the calorie count, protein, fat, carb, the full counts of the macros at the end of the video as well. I'm measuring out everything I'm eating today, so I'll walk you through this. It's gonna be some great food today, and right now it is just about 1 p.m., which is normal for me because I do fast throughout the morning. I did a strength training workout at the gym today and got back, got cleaned up, and made some oatmeal. So this oatmeal here is going to be about 1.5 servings of oats. So I have some organic rolled oats that I cooked up on the stove. I like to cook it up on the stove because I like the consistency more. Sometimes I microwave it, but I think it tastes better when I cook it on the stove. So that's how I did this. I cooked it up on the stove. And here's what I'm going to be adding. I'm going to be adding 1 apple. Now, it's a half an apple that I'm going to put in there. I'm going to eat the other half separately with it, but it's going to be 1 full apple total. So I have 1/3 cup of pecans. I get these pecans from Trader Joe's. They're just raw pecans. So throw that in there. I'm gonna put in some cinnamon. And I'm gonna put in some brown sugar. Now the brown sugar is optional, but I like it in there. It just gives it a nice little sweetness added. So a couple spoons of that. I'm gonna put in about 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, maybe a little, yeah, about 1 tablespoon there. Let me stir this around. So yeah, I eat what many people would consider to be a low protein diet. It's not really a low protein diet. It's all the protein I need. I've been doing this for a long time now. Haven't withered away. I'm getting into my late 40s and I'm still plenty strong. I have plenty of muscle. I don't need to have any more muscle than I have now. So I eat a what many would consider to be a lower protein diet because I do eat a plant-based diet. And again, I've been doing this for 13 years now, so it's nothing new. Haven't withered away. I can still do over 20 pull-ups, close to 50 push-ups. So I'm doing pretty good, especially for my age. So I'm gonna add in the apple here. And I just think that protein is pushed so hard in the media now, and everywhere you go, everywhere you look, everything has protein. So it's just, in my opinion, it's unnecessary and actually harmful. So I'm trying to show my side of the story, how I do it, that works really well for me, which again is considered a lower protein diet. Okay, here I have 2/3 cup of blueberries. They're frozen wild blueberries. And I'm gonna put in some of this Plant Strong almond milk. I just started getting this one, Plant Strong almond milk. It has, I like it because they don't do any of the gums or oils or weird stuff in there. So this is about 1/4 cup of that. And this is gonna be my first meal. Again, it's 1 p.m. I haven't had no food today because I do my workout at 11 a.m. I do drink plenty of water throughout the morning. So 1 to 2 liters of water. Strength training today, I'm doing strength training twice a week, and I'm doing cardio twice a week. It's full body strength training, so I have a lot of videos on my workouts. You can check those out in my workout playlist and just in my what I eat in a day playlist. Make sure you check those out. So I'm gonna get back to work. I do work from home, so I'm going to get back on my computer. I'm gonna eat this oatmeal, and then this will keep me good for a few hours. This is a delicious recipe. And I'm good until probably around when I get off work at 4:30, just on this oatmeal. So I'll be back soon with my next meal today. Next up at 4 p.m., I had 3 Sumo citrus, which have been really good. Nice good citrus in the wintertime. Then at 7 p.m., I had something I hadn't had in a long time. I had a foot-long veggie sandwich with avocado on it from Subway. I had some prunes. I had a serving of almonds and some of these tortilla chips. And then just after that for dessert, I had some tropical gold pineapple and a fig bar. And that was it for the day. It came out to 2,900 calories, 402 grams of net carbs, 60 grams of fiber, 83 grams of fat, and 65 grams of protein. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box below the video. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.